I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a brand new Winnebago 36Z. This is a 2020. We just got this in just the other day. It's a gorgeous rig, full body paint, side cameras. It's the Adventure line, which is a really nice line, a little better appointed than an entry-level vehicle. It's just absolutely loaded. I just walked through this one myself. It's gorgeous inside. On the outside, like I said, we've got the side cameras, we've got the good chrome mirrors. I love this little window, helps create visibility. My dogs, I've got one of these in my RV. My dogs sit here and look out this window. It's kind of a cool thing. We've got the Alcoa wheels on this. We've got the side swinging doors, which makes it easier to load and unload, get stuff in there and out. We got all the way through pass-through storage. We've got the outside TV for your outside entertainment package. Underneath your electric awning. Okay. This one's going to go swing up just so we can get a bigger storage area. Here in the back, we've got the awning 5,500 watt generator. Another storage area. Great place to hook up a barbecuer. Wait till you get inside. We've got the big hitch on the back. Got the ladder up there. Our plumbing center. I like that this has an easy access water pump, so if you need to do any maintenance to it, it's right there. You've got the black tank flush out. Gets rid of any residual contamination in your black tank. 50 amp coach, 50 amp power cord. Here's our dump station. Here's our bank of batteries, 4 deep cycle batteries. More storage. So this has 3 slide outs. It's going to sleep a ton of people. We've got a drop down bed in front. We've got the sofa that makes into a bed. We've got the booth dinette that makes into a bed. We've got a great kitchen here, a lot of cooking space. We can really get our cook on. Our sink doesn't move, it's stationary. The slide comes over, comes right up here to the edge. Still lets you get into this one side of the sink. Got to show you up front. Love this monitoring station. This is a good size stereo, backup camera, side camera. Lets you really get a good visibility of what's going on. We've got automatic hydraulic leveling. It's a Ford chassis with the 6-speed transmission. Now it's 460 foot-pounds of torque, so the torque is what's going to get you going over the mountain. Both of your chairs spin around, become part of your living room. They've got the MCD roller shades. I like the fact that they're the white ones. Okay, that's going to help reflect some of the heat out. We've got the fireplace right here. We've got a pop-up TV. If you don't want to see the TV, you push a button, it goes away, disappears. Great way to have your window and still have a comfortable space to enjoy it. As we work our way back, we get to our refrigerator. This is a big refrigerator freezer. Automatic ice maker built in. Here's our command station. All of our slide controls, our bed lift control, our inverter, our generator, start and stop. This looks like the automatic gen. You can actually program it. Okay. We've got a lot of storage. Again, this thing is loaded with storage. Back here in the bedroom, we've got a king-size bed. We've got our own TV back here. A great bank of drawers. And the reason I didn't talk about that forward bathroom that we were just looking at is because, well, that's just the forward bathroom. Back here, we have a great master bath. And that way, if you do have company and you're sleeping at night, the company can use that forward bathroom, and you've got your private bathroom with shower. They don't have to come through your bedroom. I love the bath and a half floor plan that the industry is getting into, and Winnebago's done a really great job of it. No carpeting in this coach. Again, that's something the industry has evolved away from. I love that feature. I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. This is our Adventure Z Winnebago 2020. If you have any questions about this one or any other rigs, give me a call. It's Roger from Guaranty.